Why does your scanner show the P00C0 engine code? What does it mean? P00C0 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger or supercharger bypass valve B control circuit. The P00C0 engine code for indicate a malfunction or electrical fault in the electronic circuit that controls the bypass or surge valve for the turbocharger or supercharger system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty bypass valve, damaged wiring or connections, open fused circuit, poor oil quality, faulty ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Alfa Romeo, Mercedes-Benz, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.